If the point is to get from A to B as fast as you can and there's an engine involved, I'm about it. I'm Brian Brown, Eastern U.S. Regional Manager for Amber Heavy Duty. I have a strong automotive background. That's really where I got my start. And transitioning into the sales side of things, but staying in the industry has been a really rewarding lifestyle. I get to go around, talk to all fleet managers, and 90% of them, whether it's a Camaro, a lifted pickup truck, a lowrider, a dune buggy, they've got something that they take a lot of pride in, and I enjoy talking to those guys about it. One thing I've learned since being in this industry that's really surprised me is the sheer size of some of these fleets. Your local utility company doesn't have a couple trucks. You know, if you have a storm come through and the power goes out, there's thousands of men and women waiting to get in the truck at 2 a.m. to make sure you get your power turned back on as quickly as possible. I always knew Federal to be an industry-leading name to manufacture their products in America. They have a terrific brand reputation that precedes them. And now working here, that certainly opens up a lot of doors and makes my life a lot easier. When I'm not busy out selling strobe lights or spending another day at the racetrack, I really enjoy spending my free time with my wife and 2 kids. They make it all worth it, and they really give me the motivation to get back out there and stay hungry. For more information on Federal Signal or to find your closest rep, please visit fedsig.com.